Hello students, how are you? I am your Jahir sir and welcome to the Jahir sir's math class. Today I am going to explain about logarithms. First chapter real numbers, in that subtopic is logarithm in 10th class. Okay, let us start the class. Yes, I will write some exponential forms. For example, 2 power 5. What is the value of 2 power 5? 32, is it? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32. Next, 10 power 3. How much 10 power 3? 10 into 10 into 10 means 1000. Students, concentrate here. What is the logarithm? First concept you should understood here. Yeah. What I said now? 2 power 5 equal to 32. This value. Here 10 cube equal to 1000. Yes, here look at this one. 2 power 5 equal to 32. Is it? This value 2 power 5 value is 32. Here remember one thing. Here 5 should be the power. To which 5 should be the power to which 2 must be raised to get 32. Is it understood what I am writing here? 5 should be the power, this one, 5 should be the power to which 2 must be raised, 2 must be raised means 2 is equal to, for example, 32, here x is there. Then what is x value? Here 5 must be the power, means here x value must be 5, then only you will get 32, is it? So 5 must be the power to which 2 must be raised. 2 definitely you should write the power of 2 is 5 there to get 32. Okay, so one more thing here. What is the power? What is the power of 2 to get 64? What should be the power? What should be the power to which 2 must raised to get 64? So this one is 6, is it? When you write 6, then only 64 comes there. So here why I am writing this one? Here also, once this one also, 3 should be the power to which 10 must be raised to get 1000. Means when you write here in exponent 3, then only you will get 1000. What is the relation between logarithm and this exponential form? Nothing but here simple thing is there. What is logarithm? That this value means exponent is called the logarithm of 32 to the base 2. Here base 2 is there kada? Here base is 2. That's why in logarithm also base must be 2. Means when you write this one in logarithmic form, you will get Here we should write 5. 5 is called logarithm of 32. 5 is called logarithm of 32. This exponent, remember that always this exponent only the logarithm. This exponent is the logarithmic value of 32 to the base 2. To the base 2. Is it understood? This 5 is called the logarithm of 32. This 32 logarithm is 5 to the base 2. Here base is 2, that's why in logarithm also base must be 2 only. How can we write this logarithm value? So, not easily you can write. You should exchange these two. You should write this one here and this one here. Means when you write log value, log this one this side and 5 this side, 32. What I said here, base must be 2. So 32, this 2 is same as it is base, and this 5 gone that side is equal to 5. Is it understood? You should exchange these two only. What it means here? Logarithm of 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. Means the exponent, what the exponent should be raised to get 32, that exponent is called logarithm. Now let us here check this example also. What is the logarithm in this situation? Is it? This 3 is the logarithm. For which number? For 1000. 3 is the logarithm of 1000 to the base 10. Base is here also, base exponent is there. This base for logarithm also, we write this base only. So, when you change these two, how can we write? This one is here and this one is here. Means logarithm of 1000 to the base 10 is equal to 3. What it means? What is the value, what is the exponent of 10, or what should be the exponent of 10 to get 1000? What is the exponent of 10 to get 1000? What is the exponent of 10? 3 to get 1000. This exponent is called logarithm. Simple definition. Remember that. Here, for example, one more example I will explain here. I will give some examples again. Here, for example, 3 power 3 is equal to 27. Okay, what is the value of, what is the exponent of 3? What should be the exponent of 3 to get 27? 3 is there, is it? This 3 is called the logarithm of 27 to the base 3. Means we can write this one. How can we write? This one and this one, you should exchange this one here and this one here. Means when you add log, then log means logarithm of 27 to the base 3 is equal to 3. Here exponent 3 this side. Now you understood that in a logarithm one base is also there. Means for example log 125 to the base 5 is equal to how much? What is the exponent of 5 to get 125? What is the exponent of 5 to get 125? Means this exponent. we should write this exponent 125. 125, 5 is there, that's why divisible with 5, 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja, and 5 5 ja, means x value 5 cube is equal to 125. So here this x value means this 3 is the logarithm of 125 to the base 125 to the base 5, means this one is 3. 6 formulas are there overall. First one, important formulae of logarithms. What are those? First one, when you, for example, log x y to the base a, here two numbers are there, mean for example log 10 is there, log 10 to the base 2 is there. We can write this 10 into log 2 5 are 10 to the base 2, means here multiplication is there in these two factors, prime factors, 10 prime factors of 10, 2 into 5. Like this here also x and y is there, then here nothing means into. When into is there, then expanded form same log x to the base a and then plus symbol. When into is there, you should write plus symbol and then again you should write y also, log y to the base a. Now let us check second question. Log, here when you write by x by y, then when by is there you should write minus log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Next one, what about exponent? Here also when you get exponent, for example x power m to the base a, don't remember that, don't read log a power x power m. This one is not a power m, is it? For example this one is there, don't read like this log a power x, that one is the wrong method. You should read first x here, log x to the base a, log y to the base a. Here also, is it understood? Now here also log x power m to the base a. Here logarithmic, this value exponent is there, that's why this exponent you should write here forward only. So m log x to the base a, you should write, is it? Now this exponent you should write here. This one is the third formula. Fourth formula, same this one only, log, for example x power m also, here this logarithmic value also having exponent and base also having exponent. In this situation you should write first this value, means this exponent, by the base exponent and then log x to the base a. Nothing here, m by n you should write and log x to the base a. Is it? Now log, one more question formula, log a to the base a or log x to the base x or log 10 to the base 10 or log 2 to the base 2, all becomes 1. This value is 1. This one is most important formula. Base and log value both are equal, then that value becomes 1. And one more thing, last formula is there, log 1 to the base a. This value is always 0. Is it? Note down these formulas. These formulas are 6 most important formulas are there. Remember one thing, again I will explain. First, log xy means x into y to the base a. Into is there, that's why you should split this term. Log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. If x by y is there, then log x to the base a minus, you should write minus log y to the base a. Exponent is there, then you should write, you should forward this front. Okay, so m log x to the base a. What about this base and this logarithm both having exponents? Then you should write m by n, and then remaining terms you should write log x to the base a. Then when logarithm value, this one base both are equal, then that value becomes 1, whatever it is, a xx 10 10 2 2 3 3 5 5, whatever it is, the logarithmic value is 1, and log 1 value is always 0. Is it? How becomes it 0? Check in shorts. Okay. Okay students, let us solve some questions from exercise. Exercise 1.5 logarithmic questions. From first question, determine the value of the following. Some questions given in that. How many? 9 questions given in that. So one by one I will explain how to do these answers. Okay. Log, first one, log 5 to the base 25. We are going to find the value of this logarithm. Now here we can write log 5 to the base. This base is 25. 25 means 5 square. So you should write 5 square. Remember that exponent must be smaller than, means small in size when you compare with this base. Okay, 5 square. Here nothing means exponent is 1. Here exponent 1. Then we use one formula. What is that formula? Which formula? Already now 6 formulas I explained there. In that 4th formula we should use here. What is that 4th formula? What is that 4th formula? Log x power m to the base a power n, means m by n into log x to the base a. This one is the formula. Means you should write this exponent by this exponent, means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into log 5 to the base 5. And look at this one, base value and log value both are equal here. That's why this one, which formula? 5th formula number, formula number 5 you should use, means log a to the base a is equal to 1. Is it? So you can write 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5 is 1. 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. This is our answer, 1 by 2. Means log, therefore log 5 to the base 25 is equal to 1 by 2. Now check out this one. Here also base 81. Log 3 to the base 81. Remember that here base must be 3 only. Why? Because here log value 3 is there. That's why you should divide with 3. 81 divided with, divisible with 3. So 3 2 ja, 3 7 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja. So 3 power 4. We should write this one, 3 power 4. Now here no exponent means you should take 1. Again use this formula only. By using this formula, how can you write this one? First exponent by base exponent into log 3 base 3. And again base value and this value both are equal, then use this formula. 1 by 4 into both are equal, so 1. 1 by 4 into 1 is 1 by 4. Therefore, log 3 to the base 81 value is 1 by 4. Is it understood, ma? Let us check next. Okay, now next third question in first Roman. Log 1 by 16 to the base 2. Here given 1 by 16. That's why you should write this one. Log 1 by 16 can be written as, let us check, 16. It is divisible with 2. 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, means 2 power 4. And then to the base 2. Now log this one, properties of exponents. 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. We use this formula here, means we should write this one 1 by 2 power 4 can be written as 2 power minus 4. Then to the base 2. Now here exponent is there, base doesn't have any exponent, but this logarithm value having exponent. Then which formula? Formula number 3. What is that formula number 3? X to the base m to the base a. You should write m log x to the base a. Okay, so you should write this exponent here. So here also you should write 4 here. Minus 4 into log 2 to the base 2. Log 2 to the base 2 value is 1. So minus 4 into 1 from log a base a is equal to 1. That's why 1. This value equal to minus 4 into 1 minus 4. Therefore, log 1 by 16 to the base 2 is equal to minus 4. And the next question, log 1, fourth one. Log 1 to the base 7. Already we discussed that log 1 value is always 0. Always 0. Remember that. Okay, let us check next question. Check next question, means fifth question in first Roman. Log root x to the base x. When you write this one, you should write log x power, root means 1 by 2. This exponent is 1 by 2 to the base x. Now that fourth formula, log x power m to the base a. This exponent you should write here, m into log x to the base a. Like that you should write this exponent forward, 1 by 2 into log x to the base x. Both are same, means last fifth formula, log a to the base a is equal to 1. By using that formula, log x to the base x is equal to 1. So you should write 1 here. 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. Therefore, log root x to the base x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. Let us check next question. What is next question? Log of 512 to the base 2. Log 512 to the base 2. First we should change it into exponential form. Let us check what is the value of 512. Even number, so divisible with 2. So 2 2 is 4, 1 is there, means 11, 2 5 is 10, again 1 is there, 6, 2 6 is 12. Next with 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 1 is there, 2 8 is 16. Again with 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. Again 2 3 is 2, 2 is Next 2 1 ja 2, 1 is there, 12, 2 6 ja. Again 2 8 ja 16. Next 2 4 ja 8 and then 2 2 ja 4. All becomes 2 only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 power 9. This can be written as log 2 power 9 to the base 2. Again we use this formula only. By using that formula, this exponent comes forward here. So 9 into log 2 to the base 2. Again use this formula. Log a to the base a means log 2 to the base 2 is 1. So 9 into 1. 9 into 1 value 9. So therefore log 512 to the base 2 is equal to 9. Is it understood? Let us check next. Now seventh question from exercise 1.5 first Roman. Seventh question, log 0.01 to the base 10. So how can we change this one? Log 0.01, this one 0.01. How can we write this one? By point after 2 digits are there, that's why 100. So 1 by 100 to the base 10. Now log 1 by 100 can be written as 10 square, again to the base 10. For your convenience, I will use here bracket. No confusion is there. This one is the logarithmic value. Now how can we write? By using exponents, laws of exponents. 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. By using that law, how can we write this one? 10 power minus 2 to the base 10. And then use this formula, log x power m to the base a is equal to, write m here, m into log x to the base a. That is why this exponent must come here, minus 2 into log 10 to the base 10. Log 10 to the base 10, these two are equal. Again we use this formula, log a to the base a is equal to 1. That is why here minus 2 into this value becomes 1. Minus 2 once minus 2 only, means therefore log 0.01 to the base 10, this value becomes minus 2. Okay, let us check next question. Yes, next question means 8th question in Roman 1, log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3. Now 8 by 27, these two are composite numbers. Let us let them write in exponential form. Log 8 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 27 3 9 ja 3 3 ja. We can write 8 can be in 2 cube, 27 can be written as 3 cube. 2 cube by 2 cube by 3 cube. Okay, this one by to the base 2 by 3. Now here both having this one is same. By using exponents law, what is that? A power m by b power m. Both exponents are same, then you should write same exponent whole power m. By using that one, you can write this one log 2 by 3 whole cube to the base 2 by 3. Again this one also we should use bracket here. Again this one completely, this one number, this one number, means you should write this one again log x power m to the base a, m log x to the base a. You should write this one forward here. So you should write this 3 here. 3 into log 2 by 3 to the base 2 by 3. Here base value and log value both are same. So we use this formula, log a to the base a is equal to 1. So here 3 into this complete value becomes 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Therefore, log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3 is equal to, what is the value of this one? 3. Is it understood? Let us check next question. Last question in this Roman. What is that question here? 2 power 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. Here little confusion is there. 2 power, here base given, directly log not given. 2 power, exponent given, this completely, this one is exponent. 2 power in exponent 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 is there. Then this is looking like this, 2 power m plus n for example, or a power m plus n, we use here general a. How can we write? A power m into a power n. Here plus value is there, that is why we can write this one into 2 power 2 means 2 square into 2 power this one log 3 to the base 2. 2 power 2 means 4. 4 into 2 power log 3 to the base 2. Now first we will find this value. After that we will substitute this value in this one. So this one is, take it as 1. Let this one, let 2 power log 3 to the base 2 is equal to x. Again here also exponential form, remember that 2 power something is there. 2 power something is there, 2 power log 3 to the base 2, log whatever it is, this one is exponent, is equal to x. We take there x, means this one already I explained than previous, 2 cube for example 8. It is looking like this one. How can we write log value? Log, when you change it into log, this one comes here and this one here. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. By applying here logarithmic value, you should get this one here and this one here. So what is the value? Log, when you apply here log x to the base 2, this one here and this one here, is equal to log 3 to the base 2. Is it understood? This same like this only. Here in 3 place this complete bracket is there. Remember that whatever it is, don't consider as this one is logarithmic value. This one is now, this one is exponent only. When the exponential form given, when you apply log this side, when you apply log here, you should write this 8 here and 3 that side. So log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Here also when you apply log this side, log x to the base 2, this exponent value equal to that side. And you can cancel both sides, removing both sides log, then x equal to 3. Is it? Now x equal to 3. What is x? X means 2 power log 3 to the base 2. Means this log x value is, what is x value? This one. Therefore 2 power, I will write here, 2 power log 3 to the base 2 value is 3. We can generalize this formula. How can we write? A power log n to the base a, then this value equal to n. Okay, now we should substitute this value in equation 1. From equation 1, what is that? 2 power 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 is equal to 4 into 4 into this one, 2 power log 3 to the base 2. This one is equal to 4 into this complete, this value here, this value is 3. So this value is 3. Then 4 into 3, 12. Is it understood? This one is the exercise 1.5 real numbers logarithms first Roman. I think you are understood. Thank you very much, and like, share and subscribe.